Currently, in the last 1 year, how much sales did you crack on Amazon FBA?
So we can say average from 24 to 36 lakhs will come.
Super.
Actually, I'm working as a civil engineer in. Currently, I'm working abroad, Saudi Arabia. I just started during the Corona. I started the Amazon this activity, but
Okay.
currently nowadays my family is only handling the. At that time, I didn't think this much of sale will be come because maybe lot of I see the Amazon. The lot of product is there.
Mm.
Even I see my competitor are getting more reviews.
Mm.
So I don't think so. Maybe I thought maybe every month I will get the sale of every product, maybe mostly 20 to 30,000. Of course, it's full of everything. It's from A
Mm.
to Z. From the what we know, how to open the Amazon seller account, how to manage the ad, how to run a business. After when you are running the business, when I'm seeing a problem, I will go to your course and I am seeing how to remove the mapper and everything. I removed
Mm.
the same. Within 3 to 4 months, I started. I will get cross nearly the lakh for the every product.
Hey everyone, Nivetha Muralidharan here. Today in our interview, we have Veera Murugan here. So, welcome Veera Murugan. Just give a small intro about yourself. Like, what are you actually doing currently?
Yeah, actually, I'm working as a civil engineer in. Currently, I'm working abroad, Saudi Arabia.
Okay.
In the part time, I'm in my family is now. I just started during the Corona. I started the Amazon this activity, but
Okay.
currently nowadays my family is only handling the this everything. So,
Okay.
I'm working here the civil engineer. Just in the part time, I am doing my help with my family to run a
Super.
business.
That's really great. Like you're doing part time and your family is managing it. So currently in the last 1 year, how much sales did you crack on Amazon FBA?
It's average. You can say 2 to 3 lakhs, ma'am. Some days,
Okay.
sometime in the peak time, like December or something, during festival, it will go up to above the 3 lakhs.
Okay.
But we are facing the problem for to the fulfill the stock because every time when we are sending the stock, it's automatically the it go to stock was everything will be finished. So I
Mm.
can't restock because my family now I have two kids, three kids.
Mm.
There is another two kids is a twin. So my
Oh,
wife getting struggle. So
oh my
not
God, I
getting a
can
time.
relate. Very hard to manage. Okay.
Yeah. So for that reason, otherwise it will go maybe 3 to 4 lakhs. But due to because once your stock will be go
Mm.
and automatically your seller rating will also coming coming less and your maybe my product will be coming the first page or second page, the sale will be pick up. But
Mm.
again the inventory due to the loss of inventory again it will become drastically down and
Mm.
again I have to refill the stock. Then it will go takes some time. So for this reason, it will be between 2 to 3 lakhs per month. So we can say average from 24 to 36 lakhs will come.
Super. That's really great. So now, generally, people say me this reason like I don't have time to manage. Here, of course, your family is supporting, so credit goes to your family. But there are some work that you have to do from your own location also. So how are you able to do this work-life balance?
Yeah, actually, before that time, there is a Corona, COVID. I don't
Mm.
have that much of, there is work in my job location. So I have more time. So I select my product and everything. But even if you are, my work is around 10 hours or 11 hours after I go to the home, maybe once the, product was finalized and everything, you can just only communicate with the supplier to supply means my already my family is there. He was checking the inventory. He said it will be maybe this much of product maybe balance. So I will see the sales value, how much per day it sales is going there. So just only I will send the message to my supplier and some of the the appointment and maybe the ad advertisement everything just maybe it will take hardly every day for me maybe 5 to 10 minutes enough for to handle this situation because mostly we are sending the FBA and my
Mm.
family is just packing and everything they are doing. For me it's 5 to 10 minutes is enough.
Okay, okay, got it, got it. So now in 2023, you're doing 2 to 3 lakhs per month, but you
Yeah.
started 2 years before, through our academy.
Mhm.
What was your initial investment?
Yeah, initial investment we can say first I started the product that one measuring cup. So started with 1 lakh because
Okay.
the supplier asking me minimum 1 lakh for the to get. So that's why I asked the price. He agreed with the minimum investment of 1 lakh. So initially 1 lakh for the product. The same also again another I launched the product. It will be coming a cost around 50 to 60,000 nearly.
Mm-mm.
So it started with 1 lakh now.
Okay, okay, that's really great. So one honest question, like when you are starting, did you actually think that you will reach this much? Were there confidence in you, or you were like fearing for failure? What? How was that mindset that time?
Actually, when I start that time, I didn't think this much of sale will be come because maybe lot of I see the Amazon, the lot of product is there.
Mm,
Even I see the my competitor are getting more reviews.
mm,
So I don't think so. Maybe I thought maybe every month I will get the sale of every product. Maybe mostly 20 to 30,000. I can't
mm,
go up reach
mm.
nearly 1 lakh. But I see within 3 to 4 months I started I will get cross nearly the lakh for the every product.
Okay,
Like
okay. That's great. So being a salary person, so I have been on the both side. Salary is a different feeling. See, I completely agree to it. Month end that salary amount credited will give us happiness. This is some other feeling. For example, money is secondary, but sometime in Amazon app, I just pull down just to watch how many orders are there today. Sometimes when I'm, waking up also like 23:59 minutes, that time also I'll just pull it. It has become an habit. So, like, what is your feeling when you are able to see this much of orders, and how it's giving you energy, or is it motivating you?
yeah, of course, because the whatever if you I will do any how much of effort I will give it to this one my job. I'm getting the same salary. I will
Mm,
not every month I will not get any increment because this day he will work more like that. But if not like that, if you want to work spend more maybe 1 hour or 2 hours, you will see some changes in the in the business. It's
mm,
good. And I'm also thinking about everyone. Maybe I think everyone who working abroad, he was thinking about do some business and want to settle in the with
correct, correct.
family. And that's why I also during that time I was thinking I want to do some business and want to stay with my family. Like that, I think that one. But unfortunately, up to now, because due to some I want to some big capital and
Mm.
something. So for that reason, maybe in future I want to do full time engage with business because I like more compared to this one, the job.
Okay. There will be a moment la அடிச்சாண்ட அப்பாயின்மெண்ட் ஆர்டர்ன்ற மாதிரி there will be one moment. Okay, ஏதோ ஒர்க் அவுட் ஆகுது அப்படின்னு. When did you come out to that scenario? How many months it took?
Uh, Actually, initially I seen some facing some problem with my product. First product was good, but it takes some time because first time I was launching my product with something in the packaging is different, like a tag or something. The backside I put that one. The second product I launched this one very good sale. Even though he crossed the first product, every month I get more than 1 lakh the sale
Mm.
the second product. But after 1 or 2 months I got return everything.
Okay.
Oh, lot of returns coming there, and the poor rating I also getting
Mm.
the uh, poor rating for the product. Even the customer seller review also getting poor. Even so finally I thought something is not working out because it's a problem. I can't maybe the uh, what can I say? I can't do run the business. I think I thought
Okay.
like that. I want to stop the business.
Okay.
But then I think there is a problem with the product and not with the with me. So even though around 200, 300 product is in my home, I was kept it there. I didn't sell. I removed the listing. Then I launched another product. Now then I seen there is a okay, no issue. It's hitting. So now they are we are facing the problem only to restock. This two
Mm.
products I can't manage with my family. Otherwise
Okay.
it will be more.
Okay.
So
Okay.
no, no problem.
So to be very honest, there was a down graph. You got a doubt, then you felt okay, it's working. Super.
Yeah, even yes, even everyone is shocked. Even my family, everyone is shocked. It's coming lot of returns and
Correct,
everything. It
correct.
was everyone say what we are sending again is coming back, and we see lot of even I see the losses are so that time.
Mm,
So
that's that's
maybe
correct.
I choose the wrong product that time.
Yes. So you are, part of our journey from the beginning for the past 2+ years. So how do you rate our modules and how it actually helped you and triggered you kickstart a business?
Yeah, sure, ma'am. Actually, before when I was thinking to start do some business, I searched everywhere. Even before your course, I bought one course for Amazon. This courses was incomplete. Incomplete means they have only half. Maybe there is a 4 or 5 videos is there, and this guy say he was keep on uploading and something. I thought maybe okay he will do, but up to now he didn't do something. Then finally I was in the quarantine there in the Maldives. I seen your somewhere in the video in YouTube. I checked the I attend the workshop your workshop.
Mm,
Then I see your course is full of everything. It's from A
mm,
to Z. From the what we know how to open the Amazon seller account, how to manage the ad, how to run a business. After when you are running the business, what are the struggles? Like someone mapped the product for me like 3 to 4 times.
mm,
When I am seeing a problem, I will go to your course and I am seeing how to remove the mapper and everything. I remove
mm.
the same.
Okay.
So even the best one thing for your course is compared to others, there is after service support.
Mm,
It's because everyone will do the give the course and everything. They can give the 4 videos, 5, 10 videos they can upload. But after the course, I will send a product for the even if you are not there, maybe I can't start because how where can I go and take a photo shoot and upload the product and this is a very tough
mm, mm.
everything is a great so that's why this is a lot of help me otherwise I can't maybe not run a business I do 2 3 course from somewhere but I can't start a business or run a business.
Great, great. Thank you for the feedback. And can you just explain like how was the support system? How was what helpful? And any feedback that we want to improvise, you can share me that also.
Actually, support is very great because every time I'm contacting with Bharati ma'am and again Kirtana ma'am also I contact. It's
Mm,
everything is a good because I don't have that much time because the courses everything is there how to list the
okay.
product and everything, but I don't have a time and I don't have that much knowledge because that's why I give on everything from
Mm,
starting beginning the from the photo shoot and the listing the product and the A plus listing and you for given for the brand registration
mm, mm.
supporting for the GST. It's everything is yeah good, but I didn't see any want to improvement or something. It's
Okay, okay.
okay for me because whatever I need a help I'm getting from your team last 2 years. Even though just now last 1 week before I have facing a 1 week or 2 weeks before I facing a problem with my seller account I contacted with Bharati ma'am. Immediately he replied.
Mm, mm.
Morning I send the message around from here the time maybe Indian time around 7:30 and he immediately within half an hour he sent a message. This is the no problem. I will contact with my team. So
Okay,
this is
okay.
the
That's great. Great. So credit actually goes to my team also because obviously a single person cannot do so much. So here I want
yeah,
to, appreciate my team members for standing with me and helping me all through the years also.
yeah.
So only one last question I have, like many sellers face one problem, like they don't have time to manage their account, especially when it comes to advertisements. So any tips that you actually follow for advertisements, anything like how do you streamline your time for that?
Actually, advertisement it's really because when you want to every time you should be an optimization for that advertisement is important. Because first initially you need to give a lot of bidding and everything you need to focus this one. Automatically your sales will go up and the product will come on the first page or second page. Again you need to be give it optimization is important, so you want to reduce your bids and everything. For me, I think every 2 days or 3 days, you want to open and you can maybe give the adjustment. It will be enough.
Mm,
But for me, now there is a problem for that one, because whenever the stock was inventory was lost or something, that is a problem facing. But you are keep on inventory, managing the inventory, and definitely your product will be reached the first three page, even the first page or second page or three page, you will get a decent sale. Then you can slowly, you can whatever the unwanted, there is ads or some keywords, you can remove, and you can reduce the bid size and everything. You can see the changes. If it goes okay, then no issue. Giving, I think, is maybe 10 to 15 minutes every 3 to 4 days, maybe, or 15 to 20 minutes is enough.
Yes, that's correct. Actually, when you sit, you will periodically, if you're sitting, you will actually know what is the ad group, what is the targeting, where we have optimized last time. But, this is some issues that my existing students also say me. There are few people who are doing a good job. Few people say me time is not there for optimization. But I honestly feel once you start a business, you should optimize the ads also. That's where will become the real game changer and you can make your business profitable. I guess you are doing that also correctly. That's the reason you are able to survive for a longer time and also profitably also.
Yeah, actually, yes, ma'am. Otherwise, Amazon e-commerce without ad, we cannot get that much of sale.
Correct,
Even
correct.
though if sale is coming there, you need to give a ad also in the another side. At least you need to spend this much of amount. Otherwise,
Mm.
it's very difficult. That's why I run in the beginning. I run a lot of ads, even the videos and everything. Whatever the sponsor, all
Okay,
ads
all
I
type.
run.
Okay.
All type of, to get the feedback, because now the people was want to see something first. Even I want to go, don't want to go 4 5 pages. First three pages, your product
Correct.
will be visible, and you have some decent. There is a rating. Now my product, that both product I was getting a more than 4 star. One product 4.5 star, another product 4 star. Nearly 500 reviews and 300 reviews. So that is okay. That is one plus point. You need to achieve that much of reviews, and
Mm.
within the 3 pages, you need to keep on work on for the ad.
Mm. That's correct. That's correct. So it was really, wonderful interview. Especially, I have few students from other countries also. According to me, I feel it's really hard to manage from other countries. Even though I say
Yeah.
it's possible, there is possibilities different, hard is different, but you are actually doing it. So I'm wishing, very all the best for the rest of the years. And soon I want you to come back to India, stay with your family, and expand this particular business. And in spite of your busy schedule, thanks a lot for accepting our invite. It really means a lot, and you are really going to inspire, very good amount of people outside in the world. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe and turn on the bell notification of new GenMax